Hey there, this is Toby from Terrace Technologies. Um, so what I got going on my screen here, if we take a look, and so I got PLC Next Engineer, and I'm farting around with a PackML idea. And PackML, you do like the main machine, the unit, equipment state, and control. And then over here I've got GX Works 3. And people argue all the time about structured text and IEC 63 blah 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 61131. You have it right here in the PLC Next. As far as the standard, and they're like, well, you can't just convert, right? Well, I disagree because, for instance, if I do this is just a regular if statement, and I've got machine start PB set up as an external so that it'll come on if I hit the switch, and then I went ahead and made start request at global because I may use it in a different cyclic program, even though you can make it a local and then transfer it over and just do your like machine start /. But this is what I like about structured text. Okay, so I can copy this. I can come over here into GXWorks. I can say new project, choose the FX5 CPU because that's what I'm familiar with. Structured text programming language. Start it up. Say yep to all of these things. And basically all it is Mitsubishi asking you, add FX5U CPU. And don't say that very quickly because it'll sound bad. Anyway, so you go through all the checks there. And then straight away, I can just paste this puppy in there. Now, they turn red because they haven't been declared. So that's a normal IED, or that's a normal development IDE response, right? So all I have to do is register the label if I want it to be a global that I can connect to a physical input output, or a physical input in this case because it's a push button. Then I can do that, and then we'll just register it local for right now. And then if I convert it, there's no problems. And that's the beauty of structured text in automation land, because you're not limited to your platform. And guess what? If you were doing this like in, I don't even know if I have it on my computer. The, let's see, Notepad. Yeah, so like Notepad++, I don't know if it, let's see if it will. Alright, let's kill that for a second. Let's just paste this in here. See if it recognizes it, which it doesn't really. But the idea is that if you're meeting your format, for the IEC 61131, then you can essentially program everything offline and then dump it into the PLCs. So just something to think about when you're thinking about structured text. And these are two totally different platforms. I mean, everybody, well, MuleSoft isn't that popular, but I think it should be. I think it's a good platform. And PLC Next is totally different. So, but this is how they're brought together. This is 61131. All right, enjoy.